Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook clams with butter and garlic. First, ensure your clams are fresh. They should have tightly closed shells. To clean them, soak the clams in cold, salted water for about 20 to 30 minutes. This helps them purge any sand from inside. After soaking, scrub each clam shell thoroughly with a brush under running water. Discard any clams that stay open after a gentle tap, as they are not suitable for cooking. Now, let's build our delicious flavor base. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pot or deep skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add about 4 to 6 cloves of finely minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for just 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. Next, pour in 1/2 cup of dry white wine or chicken broth to deglaze the pan, bringing it to a gentle simmer. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to cook the clams. Carefully add all the cleaned clams to the simmering liquid in your pot. Immediately cover the pot tightly with a lid to create a steaming environment. Allow the clams to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the steam will open their shells. Give the pot a gentle shake occasionally to help them cook evenly. Almost ready to enjoy? Once the clams are cooked, remove the pot from the heat. It's important to discard any clams that did not open during cooking. Now, stir in 2 more tablespoons of fresh unsalted butter and a generous handful of freshly chopped parsley for brightness. Season the delicious clam sauce with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Serve these hot, flavorful clams immediately with plenty of crusty bread for dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.